Want to share your Wi-Fi network credentials from an iPhone to Android device? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is open up your settings app. Then you want to select Wi-Fi. Now go ahead and find the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Tap on this I button. Now once you get here, you have the option of password. Go ahead and tap on that. Here you will have to authenticate either with your Face ID or use your passcode. Now you can easily find your password over here. You will have two options, copy and delete. Go ahead and tap on the copy option. Once you have copied your password, you can simply send it to your Android phone. You can use applications such as Messenger, WhatsApp to open up a conversation and then simply send in the password in this way. Now, over on the Android phone, open settings, tap network and internet, then select Wi-Fi. Now select the same network name from the list and when prompted, paste the password that is sent to you from your iPhone. And in this way, you can easily share your Wi-Fi credentials from iPhone to Android. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.